Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, let's tap on it, and as you can see, here we've got the suggestions section and your device actually suggests you to add the fingerprint to it. So if you can see that, all you have to do is simply tap on it and then you will be transferred to the very first step of adding the fingerprint. If for some reason you do not have this section or your device suggests you to another things, then I will show you how to do it manually. So just scroll down in order to find the security, and as you can see on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it. Here we've got the info that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint, but also authorize the purchases or sign into the apps. So simply tap on continue, and here we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint to your device. So you have to add an additional screen lock. You can choose the pattern, PIN or password, and it is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through whole hard reset operation. So let me pick the pattern, and here I have to draw it, tap on continue, redraw it and confirm. Here you can decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the lock screen. So you can show all notification content, hide sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick the second one. Just make sure that the option you'd like to set is marked and tap on done. And right now we have to find the sensor. So the sensor is located right on the back of your device. So let me put my finger on it, just tap on next and let me put my finger on it, and right now I have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. And try to catch every corner for better recognition, obviously. And as you can see, it is very simple. We just added our fingerprint to this device. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint options. Here we have to tap on the fingerprint actually in order to enter them. And here we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, rename it if you want to. It's quite a cool option if you've got plenty of fingerprints added. You can delete it also. Let me rename it. Here you've got the option to add the fingerprint, and under it we've got the fingerprint control with all the info under it. So for example, let's take under the consideration photo control. So we've got the info that you will have to touch the fingerprint to take pictures in the camera interface. So if you would like to turn it on, just tap on it, and since it is marked, then it means that the option is activated. I would like to leave it like this, and let's actually check if it is working. So let me look at the device and let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is almost unblocked. Let's check another time. Okay, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, fortunately, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. What's more, you saw that we are able also to unlock it with the pattern we just set. So actually that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint to your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.